Sending promotional messages one by one to every customer is probably the slowest way to sell flowers in 2026. Because while you are messaging one by one, your competitors are reaching to hundreds or even thousands of customers within minutes. Now imagine this: Valentine's Day is coming, Mother's Day is around the corner, or maybe you are running a special anniversary offer. So instead of manually sending messages to every customer, what if you could send a beautiful promotional offer to your entire customer list with just one click? And the moment customer interact with that message, the conversation automatically continues on WhatsApp. Sounds interesting? Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how florist businesses can use the broadcast feature in Pabbly Chatflow to send attractive promotional messages to hundreds or even thousands of customers at once. And it is a part 1 of florist WhatsApp automation video where we'll focus only on broadcast feature and learn how to send attractive templates to thousands plus users. And in the part 2, I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot flow that can automatically handle customer conversations and accept orders. But for now, let's focus on the first step, as getting your offers in front of as many customers as possible. Now, without wasting any more time, let's see how you can send these templates to your own customers and create a WhatsApp broadcast campaign. Alright, if you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow. Now, what is Pabbly Chatflow? So, Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. By using this tool, you can create a WhatsApp broadcast campaign, chatbots, AI assistants, and much more without any coding. After doing the sign-up process and creating your account, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. I am an existing user of Pabbly, so I am clicking on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button. See, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. As in this tutorial, we are creating a WhatsApp broadcast campaign. So I am going in this broadcast feature. See, this is the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. By using this feature, you can easily send WhatsApp messages to your predefined list of contacts. It is perfect for announcement, promotions, or update. You can send bulk message updates to your customers without getting banned. For creating a new broadcast, you have to click on this plus add broadcast button. See, this is the starting point of creating a WhatsApp broadcast, where at first you have to select the broadcast type that I am selecting as broadcast campaign. Enter the name of the broadcast here. I'll enter as flower gifting campaign. Next, here you need to select the contact list to which you would like to send the broadcast message. I am selecting it as leads list. So now I think you might be wondering how you can create a contact list and how you can add your own customer contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you have to go in this contacts feature and click on this plus add contact button. You can also add contacts one by one manually, but I recommend you to add contacts in bulk. It will reduce manual work. Here you have to upload a CSV file contains your contacts. Now, what is CSV file? So CSV file is the simplest format of file that consists the data in the simplest format. I'll show you how it will look like. See, this is the file where I have added all the contacts of my users, and after adding it, you have to download the file in a CSV format. Here I added my customer's first name, last name, and phone number inside Google Sheet, but you can use Excel also if you want to. And one more thing, only CSV files are allowed with 50 MB size limit and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts, means you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. So this is how interesting this tool is. If you like this tool till now and you also want to create a WhatsApp broadcast campaign for your own florist business, then go and purchase this tool by using my my coupon code MEHYT and get a heavy discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. After creating a contact list, you have to click on this option and click on this add new file, and then simply drag and drop this file here. After that, click on this upload files button. I have already uploaded one before, so I'm selecting it from here and clicking on this insert button. After that, you just have to click on this plus add contact button, and this is how easily you can add bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. And for creating a contact list, you have to click on this plus option. I have already created some list before, and here in our broadcast setup, I have selected this leads list. After selecting the contact list, next one is the refine audience. It is an optional. See, if you want to exclude the contact, you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that contact list from here. And if you want to select the specific contacts inside your contact list that you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that contact from this drop down. Now next, you can enable this toggle for skipping those contacts who message you within the last 24 hours, so they don't receive a broadcast message again. Moving forward, here you need to select the message type. It will provide you two options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send a regular message by selecting a message type from here and entering a message content in this field, but I recommend you to select a message type as pre-approved template message because templates are approved by Meta and they follows all the WhatsApp guidelines. After selecting this option, click on the select WhatsApp template button and select the template from here. See, I have already created one template before by the name of flower gifting campaign. See, I created a very basic template. You can customize it. Here I want to upload one image, so for that I'm clicking on this option, and for uploading a new image you can click on this plus add new image and upload it from your gallery. I have already uploaded one, so I'm selecting it from here and clicking on this insert button. So this is the final look of the template that are going to be sent to the user. After that, I am clicking on this done button. See, the template is selected successfully. So now for creating this type of templates, you have to go in this templates feature, as everything is present inside this single tool. See, this is the templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Templates are the predefined messages that is used for easy access and scale communication. I have already created some templates before, and this is the flower gifting templates that we are using in this tutorial. I'll show you some more templates also. See, you can customize it based on your own needs. For creating a new template, you have to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. After selecting the template, next I am going to test this broadcast. For that, I am entering the username as test user and my number in this field, just only for the testing purpose. After that, I am clicking on the send test message button. See, it says that test broadcast sent. Now I am going to show you my WhatsApp account. Look at this. Immediately I received the exact same template that I have selected here. This means that till now our WhatsApp broadcast setup is working perfectly. Moving forward, next you need to schedule the broadcast. It will provide you two options as yes, schedule for later and no, send instantly. So if you want to send this templates to all of the contacts that are present inside your list right now, then you can select this option and click on this plus add broadcast button. But in this tutorial, I'm going to schedule this message for later, so I'm selecting this option and selecting the date and time from here. Let's say I want to schedule this message on 30th of June at 3 p.m. See, on 30th of June 2026 at 6 p.m. this template is going to be sent to all the contacts that are present inside my contact list without me touching my phone. After that, I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button. And that's it. This is how easily you can create a WhatsApp broadcast campaign by using Pabbly Chatflow. See, our broadcast message is successfully scheduled here, and you can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this button and export the report from here. And this is only the part 1. For the part 2, means the chatbot part, I have already created a separate detailed video. If you want it, then comment it. I will share the video link with all of you guys. And trust me, me, the creation process of this chatbot flow is the easiest thing that I have ever done. It works for your business, takes orders even when you are unavailable. The title of the second part is how florists take orders automatically with a WhatsApp chatbot. So if you face some difficulties or you have any queries while understanding this broadcast WhatsApp campaign setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And not only for the florist, you can create a WhatsApp broadcast campaign for your any business and reach all of your customers directly on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.